Hey guys, what's up? It's Zin. Today I am going to be unboxing the ASUS GU502GV laptop. It's a very powerful laptop that my brother got and he's letting me unbox it on camera, so I'm so excited to do this. It's 16 gigs of RAM and it's supposed to be a very high processing laptop, so let's go ahead and just start. So it comes with these little black tabs here, which I'm going to cut open. And it swings open just like that. It was really easy. Whew. I might even be doing this backwards, which I totally am. So let's flip it over. So it opens right up like a pizza box. Ooh. So here we go. It comes wrapped in some kind of thick plastic. It's stickered in here, so let's go ahead and rip that off. Taped on 3 separate sides, so 1, 2, and the third side over here, 3. And then the plastic slides right off. Here's the back of the laptop. And here is the front of the laptop. It has the little symbol right over here. Let's see what else is in this box. It has a box within a box with a symbol in it. And this opens up kind of like an envelope. And here it has all of the user manuals that you might need and how to start. And also the warranty guide. There are 2 more boxes, one on this side. Nothing in here. And one more box on this side. And here we have all of the chargers and cables that it comes with. So here is one of the chargers. Here is a power brick. That's interesting. I didn't know it was going to come with one of these. So I think this is also part of the charger. And that's all for that side. So when you guys are opening it, and there's 2 separate boxes, one of them houses both of these cables, whereas the other one is empty. And then there is also nothing under here. So here is the laptop. Wow. So it has a kind of matte, shiny finish. So if you put your fingers on there, the fingerprints will be apparent. But there's also a wooden kind of texture on it. So there's little holes on the side. So on this side we have for the microphone, the cables, and anything else you might need, including headphones. On this other side we see for the USB-C and USB cables. There is some writing up top here. And this is the opening to the laptop. It has like a little bit of empty space for you to be able to hold onto the laptop in order to open it. Now let's open this bad boy up. Ooh! So it comes with a mat here to make sure everything is clean and safe. So the charging is on this side. And it is plugged in now, and I see the light go on there as well. Let's go ahead and try to turn it on. And wow, look at that! Ooh! Wow, this is so neat. So it did make a little bit of a noise at me, and the keys are so colorful and pretty.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Right away I noticed
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way.
The speakers are coming through the entire keyboard, and I can feel the vibration
towards the
all
bottom
throughout
of your
the computer.
Screen.
Alright guys, well that is my unboxing of this new ASUS laptop. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!